Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you exactly how to use a Solana multiplier website, safely and step by step. Before we begin, please note that this is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and you should never invest what you can't afford to lose. Alright, let's jump in. Solana has secretly made a multiplier website exclusively for its loyal users. For an example, if you possess 2 Solana tokens, you will receive 4 Solana in return if your wallet meets the eligibility criteria such as an active wallet. For example, swapping and bridging a total of 1,000 USD. From my position, I have received a total of 4,000 worth of sold tokens. Anyway, this website is totally legit, guys, but it don't send more than 20,000 and it sends only once for each wallet. That means you can't participate twice with same wallet. Don't miss this golden opportunity, crypto fellows, as it could be a game changer for your crypto journey. Alright, that's the full walkthrough. If this helped, please drop a like and share it with someone who trades Solana. And subscribe for more crypto safety and tutorial content. Stay smart, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.